Nestled in the Scottish Highlands lies a body of water shrouded in mystery and legend. Loch Ness, a lake of immense depth and darkness, is home to one of the world's most enduring mysteries, the Loch Ness Monster, or Nessie as it's affectionately known.
Of legendary creatures, the Loch Ness Monster.
The Loch Ness Monster is...
The Loch Ness Monster.
Oh my God!
For centuries, tales of a colossal creature lurking in the murky depths have captivated the imagination of locals and visitors alike. Today, we embark on a deep dive into the legends of the Loch Ness Monster, exploring the history, sightings, and the scientific quest to unravel this aquatic enigma. Historical overview. The legend of the Loch Ness Monster stretches back to the 6th century, with the first reported sighting by St. Columba, who allegedly encountered a fierce creature in the River Ness. However, it wasn't until 1933 that Nessie captured the world's attention, when a local newspaper published a report of a monster sighting, igniting a wave of interest and subsequent sightings. Since then, the legend has grown, with numerous eyewitness accounts and grainy photographs fueling the mystery. Each sighting added a layer to Nessie's story, transforming the creature into a global phenomenon. From a prehistoric dinosaur to a giant eel, theories about Nessie's true nature abound, yet definitive proof remains as elusive as the creature itself. Amidst the skepticism and hoaxes, genuine curiosity and wonder have driven countless individuals to the loch's shores, all hoping to catch a glimpse of the elusive beast. As we delve into the heart of this legend, we explore not just the monster itself, but the human fascination with the unknown that Nessie so perfectly embodies. This section sets up the video with a captivating introduction to Loch Ness and its legendary inhabitant, followed by a historical overview that lays the groundwork for the deep dive into the legend of Nessie, notable sightings and evidence.
When did you see it and where?
Oh, many years ago, right here at the southwest end of Loch Ness at Fort Augustus.
What was it like?
Oh, very like a swan, long neck, small head, and one big hump about 30 feet long.
Oh my God!
Over the decades, Loch Ness has been the stage for numerous sightings, each adding a chapter to Nessie's storied existence. One of the most iconic images, the surgeon's photograph from 1934, purported to show Nessie's head and neck, although it was later revealed to be a hoax. Despite this, the allure of capturing proof of Nessie's existence has never waned. From grainy images to modern digital footage, the quest to document Nessie continues. Eyewitness accounts describe a large creature with a long neck, humps, and a serpentine body, stirring the imagination and debate among enthusiasts and skeptics alike. Sonar expeditions have detected unexplained anomalies beneath the loch's surface, suggesting something unusual resides in its depths. While definitive proof remains elusive, each piece of evidence invites more questions than answers. Is Nessie a prehistoric survivor, a giant fish, or simply a series of misidentifications? The debate rages on, fueled by the intrigue of the unknown and the human desire to believe in the extraordinary. Scientific expeditions and theories. The mystery of the Loch Ness Monster has not only captivated the public, but also drawn the interest of scientists and researchers. Operation Deep Scan in 1987 was one of the largest efforts to uncover the truth, using a fleet of boats equipped with sonar to scan the loch's depths. While the operation yielded intriguing data, it provided no conclusive evidence of Nessie's existence. Various scientific theories have been proposed to explain the sightings. Some suggest that Nessie could be a sturgeon or a giant eel, species known to grow to significant sizes and potentially be mistaken for a monster. Others hypothesize that the sightings could be attributed to floating logs, swimming deer, or optical illusions created by boat wakes.
Oh my God! Did you see that?
Despite the skepticism, the legend of Nessie endures, a testament to the loch's mysterious allure and the human appetite for wonder. The scientific community remains divided, with new theories and expeditions continually emerging, each helping finally solve the puzzle of Loch Ness Monster. These sections delve into the various sightings and pieces of evidence that have fueled the Nessie legend, followed by an exploration of the scientific attempts and theories aimed at unraveling the mystery surrounding the Loch Ness Monster. Cultural impact. The Loch Ness Monster transcends the boundaries of a mere cryptid, becoming a cultural icon that has captured the world's imagination. Nessie's image adorns everything from souvenirs to advertisements, embodying the allure of the unknown. The monster's legend has been a boon for tourism in the Scottish Highlands, drawing visitors from around the globe eager to scan the waters themselves. Nessie's influence extends into films, literature, and television, where it has been portrayed as both a fearsome beast and a gentle giant. This cultural fascination reflects our collective love for mystery and the enjoyment of a good tale, with the Loch Ness Monster serving as a canvas for our fears, hopes, and imaginations. Moreover, the monster's story has prompted discussions about the natural world and our understanding of it, challenging scientists and laypeople alike to ponder what might lie undiscovered in the unexplored corners of our planet. Modern day. Nessie. Sightings and research. Despite the advancements in technology and the comprehensive explorations of Loch Ness, the mystery of Nessie remains unsolved. Recent sightings and modern research keep the legend alive, with enthusiasts and scientists alike continuing to probe the loch's depths. Emerging technologies, such as drones and underwater ROVs, offer new hope in unveiling the secrets of Loch Ness.
It was roughly 6 feet from top to bottom, and it was cylindrical. I only looked at it for a second.
Perhaps one day providing the evidence needed to confirm or debunk Nessie's existence once and for all. The legend of the Loch Ness Monster endures, a symbol of the eternal human quest for discovery and the enchantment of the unknown, reminding us that the world still holds mysteries waiting to be explored. These sections highlight the cultural significance of the Loch Ness Monster and how it continues to influence various aspects of society, followed by an overview of the ongoing efforts and modern technologies employed to uncover the truth behind the enduring legend. The legend of the Loch Ness Monster is a testament to humanity's fascination with the unknown and the unexplained. As we peer into the depths of Loch Ness, we're reminded of the world's vast mysteries, inviting us to wonder, explore, and imagine. What truths lie beneath these waters may still be discovered, but the story of Nessie, regardless of its reality, continues to enchant and inspire, a symbol of the eternal allure of the undiscovered. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the legends of the Loch Ness Monster. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and may your curiosity always lead you to exciting discoveries.